In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert date and time in Excel, and also some of the shortcuts that you can use to do that. So for example, I am going to type in 11/11 and the year 21. Hit enter. So another way I would do that is type in 11-11/21. Hit enter. And that's another way. So if I want to insert today's date, and today's date is the 28th of December 2021, I don't have to type it in, I can use the keyboard. So all I have to do is hold the control key and the semicolon key, and today's date is inserted here. So if I want to increase the date in a few other cells, for example, this is 12/28, I want it to be 12/29, 12/30, and 12/31. All I have to do is just drag this and then release the mouse. So when I release the mouse, the date was increased in each cell: 28, 29, 30, 31st, 1st. Now if I want to repeat this date, for example 12/28/2021, I want it to be the same on all of these cells, so I want to repeat it. I need to hold the control key down on the keyboard, and with the mouse just drag it down. So when I drag it down, I have to keep the control key down and just release the mouse, so it duplicates on each cell. So I can also use the function to insert today's date, which is 12/28/2021. So to use the function, I'll just type equal, type today, and left parenthesis, enter, and today's date is inserted. If I close this Excel sheet and open it tomorrow, then the date will change. It will be 12/29. So if I want to insert the current time on this cell, I can do that with the keyboard. Just hold the control key, the shift key, and the semicolon key, and the current time is inserted in the cell. So if I want to enter the current date and time, I can use the function equal, type now, left parenthesis, enter, and this is the current date and time. Now this will change if I close the Excel and open it at a later time. The time will change. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching.